Just 2 more cars and we've got a little break.
I'm a dishwasher in a restaurant. I'm not trying to impress anybody. I'm not bragging. It's just what I do. It's not the glamorous job everyone makes it out to be. Sure, you make a lot of dough and everybody looks up to you and respects you, but there's a lot of responsibility. It weighs on you. It wears on you. Everybody wants to be a dishwasher these days, but they have an idealistic view of it.
Come on, kid, come on! Let's go! We're getting behind!
Come on, we need silverware, we need plates, we got people waiting, they're getting fierce out there. Just give me a goddamn plate for Christ's sake.
We gotta rinse, we gotta dig in there.
Into that gray, black, sudsy water?
That's right, dig in there, dig in there. Scoop!
I think this one's done, sir.
Oh, egg yolk, I see egg yolk on that. Grace, get that off.
You turkey, I got eggs ready, I got burgers, I got fries, I got onion rings, I got grease popping into my eyes, but I don't have a lousy plate to put it on, you turkey.
The cook respects me a lot and knows I take it in stride.
Okay, kid, how you feeling?
I'm okay.
Yeah, you don't seem like you're really with it.
I'm just getting warm. Thank God it wasn't a glass. It was really busted to bits.
Are you happy?
Sure.
I mean, are you really happy?
Of course. Who wouldn't be? The manager takes a personal and professional interest in me. I respect him for that.
Look, I don't mean to be rude, but there are people getting really hostile out there. There's a guy saying he's having a low blood sugar attack. Can I get him some coffee at least?
Okay, let's start from scratch. Whole new ball game. Just give the coffee cups a quick rinse and put them on that tray.
That tray?
That's right, that tray.
The white one.
That's right. White one.
Hard rubber.
That's right. Hard rubber.
Doesn't melt in the machine?
No. That's the tray that you'll use to run the cups through the machine.
Okay, no problem.
What's funny?
Oh, I think of Macbeth, the witch's cauldron.
Oh, you think of Macbeth.
I saw that movie once. Pretty weird. Ha!
I can tell Charlie's stoned again.
I'm not going back out there. I'm not going back out there until I can give them something. I'm the one that has to take all the guff.
Just tell him some jokes, do a little dance for him, Sally baby.
I'm not going to do anything until you guys can tell me what's going on back here.
Look, we got some paper cups. Give them some water in paper cups. That's all on.
Water and paper cups, beautiful.
Man, this one time in Atlanta...
Oh, just shut up. Just shut up.
Are you riding me, man? You want me to walk off right now?
Oh, lay off, Charlie. I didn't mean anything.
Are you riding me?
Oh, no, sorry. Just take it easy.
You like cooking so much, you can do it yourself.
No. It's okay.
The manager and the cook always have a friendly give and take. I respect their relationship a lot.
You want me to go in there with you? You want me to go down in there with you?
No, that's alright. Just let me do it my way.
Give it a go.
2 fries, 3 burgers, 2 chicken dinners, hold the peas with corn.
Substitute peas for corn?
Charlie doesn't respect people who want substitutions. Okay, kid, way to go. Doing a good job. We're catching up.
Okay, guys, way to go. We're here to help each other through this thing. Whatever it is.
Yeah, doing a good job. Charlie, how's the chicken?
Chicken's good, let's move the potatoes.
I can move the potatoes. Where do you want them?
No, kid, that's okay. How's the coleslaw?
They ain't going for the coleslaw. They cooked with too much mayonnaise in. You gotta watch the mayonnaise on the coleslaw.
Hey, kid, slow it down. Don't kill yourself.
No, sir, I won't. You can tell when a restaurant's moving right. Everything's working in synchronization. You feel like you're beating them. And them's the customers. The customers are out to get you, and you're out to get them. And if they're happy, you're beating them.
What is it, Sally?
It's greasy. It's greasy. They sent it back. They said it was greasy.
Wash it again for the clown out there. Never respected people who want rewashes. Don't get down, kid. It was a tough break. Wrong spoon, the wrong guy.